In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary phone number in PayPal. If you need to update the main phone number linked to your PayPal account, this process is quick and straightforward. Keeping your primary phone number current is important because PayPal may use it for account notifications, security verification, and recovery options. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into your PayPal account and that the phone number you want to use is available in your account settings. To get started, go to your PayPal account homepage. In the upper area of the screen, look for the gear icon. This is the settings button. Click the gear icon to open your account settings. This is where PayPal stores your personal information, security preferences, and contact details. Once you're in settings, find the section that shows your current primary phone number. Next to that number, you'll see an option labeled Change. Click Change to manage which phone number is set as the main one for your account. This opens the phone settings area where you can review the numbers currently connected to your profile. Now, look for the phone number you want to make primary. Click on that number to select it. This tells PayPal that this is the number you want to use as your main contact number going forward. Make sure you choose the correct number, especially if you have more than one listed in your account. After selecting the number, click Done to confirm the change. Once you do that, PayPal will save your updated primary phone number. At that point, the selected number should become the main phone number associated with your account. After finishing, it's a good idea to quickly review the phone section again to make sure the update was applied correctly. If you don't see the number you want to select, you may need to add it to your account first before making it primary. Also, if PayPal asks for verification during the process, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update securely. And that's all it takes to change your primary phone number in PayPal. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, and keeping your contact information updated can help you avoid login issues or missed account alerts in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.